Why haven't you gotten the results you want? This is the topic, the focus of this specific lecture. Now, there's a few reasons to kind of think about as to why you haven't gotten the results you wanted yet. First off, what are your expectations? If your expectations have been too high, maybe way too dramatic, then it's going to be tough to get your results you actually want. If you're thinking about losing 5 pounds every single week, that's a little unrealistic. 1 to 2 pounds, much more likely. Second thing, what have you done in the past? What have you been doing? Have you been spending 2 hours in the gym, 4 hours in the gym, a half an hour? If you want results and you haven't been spending enough time, it's going to be really tough to do. So you have to align your behaviors with your desired outcomes. If you're training enough, you're tracking nutrition, you're tracking your fitness, you're doing all these different things, changing things when they don't work, then you'll be able to have a lot more success. So those are two of the main things to look at as to why you haven't gotten results. Looking at your expectations, also looking at what you've tracked, what you've done before. If you want results, it takes a certain amount of work. I'll explain that in the course as we go through it more and more. But think about that. When you think about why you haven't gotten your results, just think of those couple things as to what are your expectations and really what have you done to get the results you want. If you haven't done enough, you may not get them. I'll go more in depth into all those as the course goes on, but this is just the basics on why you haven't gotten the results you want. See ya.